Alright guys, so a while back Opinions Matter made a video doing a benchmark of the iPad Pro 9.7 versus the 2018 iPad. And iPad performed better than the iPad Pro. The link for that video is going to be in my description. Now this is the newest iPad, the iPad Pro 11-inch. And this is the first time the iPad got the A12X bionic chip inside of it. So that bionic chip was introduced in the iPhone XS, and now it's in the new iPad. So we're going to see the benchmark scores on the iPad. Also, I'm going to show you the benchmark score of the iPhone XS Max and the iPad Pro 11-inch and see which one performs better. iPad should perform a little better, but maybe the test will surprise us. So stay tuned. I will fast forward through this benchmark test, and the results are going to be at the end. Alright guys, so as you guys could see, the iPad Pro 11-inch gave us a benchmark score of 556,208, while the iPhone XS Max gave us a score of 330,229. That's a huge jump. I'm thinking it's because they put a better processor and more RAM into the iPad, even though they're both using the 12X bionic chip. iPad still will perform better. But this is one of the most biggest jumps in any Apple product Apple ever released. And that's huge. So guys, thank you for watching this benchmark test. If you're thinking of buying the iPad, consider what you're buying it for and why. And let me know, what are your guys' thoughts? Is it worth the upgrade? Is it not worth the upgrade? And if it is, tell me the features that are worth it. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys later.